Hello guys, this is Rupesh and you are watching CPP Nuts video series on C++ 17 and I am back with another video on C++ 17. So you must be wondering like what is this clamp? So in programming we have always this conditions, right? Like if your x is equal to maybe something, then you have like if your x is less than 2, then return 2. Else if your x is greater than 5, then return 5. Else return x. So you can see that I am telling I have 2 and 5. If my x, whatever it may be, is less than 2, meaning it lies here somewhere, then return this guy. If my x is greater than this, meaning lies here and it is like infinite, I mean here also it is like infinite, then you just return this. Okay, if it is greater than 5, return 5. Otherwise, return x, meaning if it is in between here, meaning if it is 3 or 4, return 3 or 4, whatever the x is. So instead of this 3 line, or I mean, someone can come and then say that maybe you can use a ternary operator, but then that would also be like very clumsy. But here we have a very beautiful one line solution. So you can use std clamp. Here you give x, here you give 2 and then 5. And if your x is equal to 3, it will return 3. If your x is equal to 1, in that case it is less than 2, so in that case it will return 2. If your x is like 6, then this 6 is greater than 5, then in that case it will return 5. Okay, so this condition satisfies. So we are actually clamping these things together. You know that clamping tool which actually hold two things together so tightly, right? That's why we are also clamping this x with these two numbers. So we are just saying that whatever the x may be, I will have or I will accept values 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I mean, if it is integer. Small thing, but really very useful when it is needed, right? So thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. Take care. I'll see you in the next videos.